Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 24th March 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First up, we take a look at what transpired for Nifty. Following the rebound seen in the US yesterday along with most major markets being in the green today, Nifty too ended on a positive note. The NSE index gained 399.75 points, which is roughly 1.78% above yesterday's close to end at 22,912.40. Broad-based buying was seen across all sectors with media, chemicals and auto being the biggest gainers among the major sectors. Supports can now be brought up to 22,820, followed by 22,660, while resistances will be at 23,000 followed by 23,190. Elevated crude oil prices and the closure of naval traffic via the Strait of Hormuz are still a concern. However, a correction in crude prices coupled with a decrease in volatility powered today's gains seen in Nifty. The index will be bullish only above 23,350, while bears will take charge once again below 22,470. Next, let us take a peek at Sensex. Sensex gained 1,372 points or 1.89% to close higher at 74,068. A rebound was seen which resulted in a close above 74,000, the bullish level cited yesterday. Supports can therefore be adjusted upwards to 73,450, followed by 72,570, while resistances on the way up will be at 74,450, followed by 75,345. For continuation of bullish momentum, Sensex need to move above the latter resistance at 75,345, while bearish momentum will intensify below 72,570. Now, let us take a look at movements in crude oil prices, with Trump's claims of talks being denied by Iran, who plan to continue blocking the Strait of Hormuz. A positive bias in crude prices can be expected with the supply scenario for the energy counter worsening. De-escalation in the near term seems unlikely due to a trust deficit in US-Iran diplomatic relationship. Supports for crude can be readjusted down to 8,310, followed by 8,070, while resistances on the upside will be at 8,610, followed by 8,920. The counter will resume further bullish momentum above 9,625, while bearish momentum will only take over significantly if prices correct below 7,800. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in news today. Shares of Asian Paints Limited, Indigo Paints Limited, Berger Paints India Limited, and Shalimar Paints Limited gained up to 5% in today's trade. However, despite this bounce, the sector has underperformed sharply in 2026, falling up to 38% due to weak operational performance and rising crude-linked input costs. Shares of Fino Payments Bank Limited plunged nearly 19% to hit a record low, extending losses to about 33% over the past 7 sessions. The decline comes despite the bank denying any links to betting or gaming activities. Shares of Eternal Limited rose around 6% after a platform fee hike boosted sentiment. Analysts see strong upside potential, citing improved profitability outlook, driven by higher fees and margin expansion. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market-related updates.